Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cowboy boots that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for durability, style, or budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Pasua Western Cowboy Boots for women, which are the most budget-friendly option in this lineup. These boots feature a knee-high design with a wide calf fit, making them accessible for a variety of body types. The classic embroidered pattern adds a stylish, vintage flair, while the slip-on, pointed-toe design ensures effortless wear without compromising on elegance. The chunky heel not only complements the overall aesthetic, but also provides a stable platform for all-day wear. When it comes to build quality, these boots are made from synthetic materials, which is expected at this price point. While they may not offer the longevity of genuine leather boots, they are surprisingly durable for casual use. These boots are perfect for light activities, such as attending a country concert or a fall festival. Performance-wise, they're lightweight, easy to pull on, and comfortable for short-term wear. However, they might not be the best choice for heavy-duty tasks or prolonged walking. Overall, the Pasua boots are an excellent choice for anyone on a tight budget who wants stylish, functional cowboy boots for occasional wear. Their low price and eye-catching design make them a great entry point into Western-style footwear. The downside? They lack the premium feel and durability of higher-end boots. But for $50.99, they deliver solid value. At number 4, we have the IUV Cowboy Boots for women, featuring a mid-calf design and a snip toe for a sleek, modern look. These boots are ideal for those seeking a balance between affordability and style. The chunky heel adds a touch of height while remaining practical for everyday wear. The boots also feature intricate stitching details that enhance their overall appeal, giving them a more premium look than their price suggests. In terms of build quality, the IUV boots are made with synthetic materials that feel sturdy and well-constructed for their price range. The mid-calf height makes them versatile, whether you want to pair them with jeans or a dress. Performance-wise, they offer a snug fit and are easy to slip on. But some users with wider feet or higher insteps might find them slightly restrictive. They're lightweight enough for casual outings, but like the Pasua boots, they're not designed for heavy use. The IUV boots are a step up in quality and design, offering a more refined option for just $53.99. They're perfect for fashion-conscious individuals who want an affordable, yet stylish pair of cowboy boots. However, they still fall short in terms of durability and all-day comfort compared to more premium options. Coming in at number 3 is another offering from IUV, their mid-calf snip-toe cowboy boots, specifically designed with low insteps in mind. These boots stand out for their tailored fit and attention to detail. The snip-toe design is elegant and pairs well with the embossed stitching, giving the boots a luxurious Western vibe. They also feature a chunky heel that's slightly more refined, making them suitable for both casual and semi-formal settings. Build quality here is slightly better than the previous IUV model, with an improved lining that reduces friction and adds comfort. Users who struggle with low insteps will particularly appreciate how these boots are designed to accommodate that, ensuring a snug yet comfortable fit. They're a great option for moderate use, such as weekend outings or work in less rugged environments. However, they may not hold up as well in tougher conditions. At $56.99, these boots are a great mid-range choice for those who prioritize fit and style. While they don't quite match the durability of leather boots, they offer excellent value for their price. On the downside, they're still not ideal for users with wider feet or those who need additional arch support. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Quirin Cowboy Boots for women. These mid-calf boots are all about blending traditional Western style with modern fashion. The intricate embroidered design is the standout feature here, lending these boots a sophisticated and eye-catching look. The pointed toe and chunky heel enhance the overall aesthetic, making these boots perfect for a night out or a stylish addition to your everyday wardrobe. In terms of build quality, The Quirin boots feel solid and well-made, with a synthetic upper that mimics the look of leather. While they don't offer the breathability of genuine leather, they're comfortable enough for short to moderate wear. Performance-wise, they're easy to slip on and provide decent support, although the pointed toe might feel a bit snug for users with wider feet. They're not the best for heavy-duty activities, but excel in the style department. Priced at $59.99. The Quirin boots strike an excellent balance between style and affordability. They're perfect for anyone who wants a fashionable pair of cowboy boots without breaking the bank. The only downside? They're more about aesthetics than functionality, so they may not be the best choice for those seeking rugged, all-day wear. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome product reviews. If you have any questions about these cowboy boots, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.